Hi, Robin Padilla here with Damsel in Defense, your Independent Damsel Director. Today I'm going to showcase our Road Trip Auto Tool. It has some amazing features, including our 5 magnetic heads that can stick to the roof of your car. You turn on this button here and you've got your flashing beacon. Maybe you need to change your tire, so you can stick it on the side of the car and people can see that there's a hazard ahead. You turn that button off. No, let's say maybe you're out camping or hiking, you fall down, you can't get up. You push this button and you've got your alarm. It's easier to locate you by following that sound. I love our flashlight. We've got a regular light, a dimmer, and a strobe. That one happens to be my favorite. Now, let's say you're trapped inside your car. There's a blade in here. I don't know if you can see it, but there's a blade right here. And then you hold down on the seatbelt and then you cut in a downward motion and that'll separate the seatbelt for you. Now, maybe the door is locked and you can't get out of the door. Maybe it's jammed or whatever. You take this and there's a little hole in here. A pin pops out. So you would put that up against the window. I'm not going to do it. My son's Mustang, he'd kill me. So you put it up against the window and it's going to bust out the window for you, giving you an option to escape now. The other thing this is good for is also inside your home. If there's a fire, maybe you've got bars on the windows, or it's jammed, you can't open it. Again, you can use this to break the window. Turn on all the bells and whistles so that firemen can find you or your family a lot quicker. So to get your Road Trip Auto Tool, go to my website at werocksafety.com and purchase yours for only $30. And since the holidays are fast approaching, think about putting one of these in everybody's stocking. Have a great day. Stay safe. Bye.